Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how you can check news on investigating.com. So firstly, just go to your investigating.com app or the website, and then you will redirect to this platform over here, which is your home screen. Then just know what you want to check the news about. So it might be about the stocks or finance or anything. So over here on top you'll be having the options, and then just go to this news option and then choose one of these guys. So let's say I want to check the news about the currencies, so I'll just choose currencies and it will redirect me to the breaking news of the currencies. So over here there are different news, so let me just choose one like this, and it will redirect me to that particular news, and here I can check the news of anything. So that's pretty much, guys, that's all. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.